This planner can help you plan your daily or weekly activity with its own unique method, track your mood, and also manage your mental state so you can be productive. But first of all, just to let it out there, this video is not sponsored. I was able to reach out to the owner of this planner and she was so gracious to actually give me 10 planners just for giveaway. So stick to the end of this video and you're going to find out how you can be able to get one of this planner. Like I said, this video is not sponsored, but I've been using this planner for over 2 years plus. I'm going to also talk about some pros and cons to this planner. And first of all, let's talk about this planner before we dive into everything I just said. So I'm going to keep this one aside because this one I'm currently using, and I'm going to show you what this planner actually looks like. So it's written boldly, My Millennium Planner. Comes with a thank you card. Wow, this is really beautiful. Let me take this very carefully. Yep. So as you can see, it has a golden pen, which is beautiful, with a diamond head. I wish this is a real diamond, eh? But this is beautiful. Like the color to match, good. And a spiral band. I like the spiral band because it's actually like durable, feels good. Now this is my favorite part. Do I just go into this planner? Like I love this planner so much. Like, okay, now this is the sticker. I could tell you about your moods, like an emoji sticker, as you can see. Connect, get active. We'll get into that, okay? So let's just skip aside. This is a message from the creator, that's the owner. And it tells you 5 well-being actions you need to take, and also it has a 5 well-being challenge. So if you're having a bit of mood, anxious, you are depressed, it tells you everything. Also gives you some symptoms about depression, anxiety, and I think it gives you a helpline in the UK or in the US, and also some other parts of the country. Now, one thing I love about this planner is it's not dated, so you can use it for a long time. It's not like other planner that, you know, is fixed to a particular year and particular day, but this particular planner is not dated. So you can give this out as a gift, any kind of gift, okay? You can definitely give out this planner. And also it has some quotes that comes with it, which is really good. Like the quotes are so motivational and I just can't stop. So let's just read this one. You are not the rain, okay? And it also has your mood to be able to say, okay, why is your mood this way? How can my mood improve? Priority for the day, quote of the day. So you have the opportunity to even write your own quote. And it has the 4 hours, which is reflection, reevaluate, refocus, recharge. We're going to talk about this, so let's just skip this aside. Now you've seen how this planner looks. Like I said, stick to the end. You're going to find out how you can definitely lay your hands on one for free, okay? The only thing I think you have to do, well, let me just keep that aside. I'm going to arrange this later, okay? Just want to be fast. So now let's talk about how you can be able to achieve your goals using this planner's method. Like I said earlier, it comes with 4 unique methods. So the first one is reflect, second one is reevaluate, third one refocus, and the last one is recharge. So this is how I actually use this planner whenever I want to start a task. So the first thing is, like the planner I said, is you have to reflect. So I'm a content creator. Before I dive into making a video, I have to reflect. I have to put myself backwards to be able to see what can I do to improve my video? What do I have to say that is giving more value and also what do you think I would do at the end of the video to be able to get better. So that's like reflecting. So in any task you are doing, you can definitely use this first method, which is reflecting. The second method is reevaluating. Like, how do you reevaluate what you have reflect on? Now, when I finish making my video, I have to reevaluate it. Like, okay, what do I do? What do I do wrong? What did I do better? What can I do better? And I just have to be able to like see how I can improve the quality or how I can improve my entire setting of my video. Now, the third one is refocus. I love this third aspect because it actually gives me that opportunity to be able to rethink anytime I actually make a video for you guys. So when I come back to that video I want to make, I have to be able to like recharge myself, reevaluate myself, and it's just giving that mind frame of, I think this is time where I have to be focused at anything I do. Now, the last one is recharge. I think I've talked about it in a way. Recharge is, yes, I've done it. The video is out there. Now, how can I do better? How can I be able to recharge in every aspect? And most times, you know what I do to recharge? The thing I do is that I just actually sit down, watch that video myself before putting it out. And when it's out, I actually watch that video all over and over again. So I know that, yes, I'm giving value. Because one thing about making a video for you guys is I have to make sure that, am I giving value? Am I giving information? Or am I entertaining you guys? So this planner has actually been helping me so much. 2 years plus, this planner is definitely my to-go. Now, I said definitely I'm going to talk about some pros about this planner and also cons. Now, actually, I love the planner because of the hardback. I actually love the planner because when you write, it doesn't spill over to the next page, which is actually a good thing. Those emojis are actually fun to play with. Like, you can just pay it off. I don't want to ruin this, okay? But what I do is I just pay it off, put it on any mood I have here. So my mood for the day, if my mood is being happy, I'm angry, I stick the emoji for angry here. And also when I want to do the challenge, which I'll get there very soon, I take one of the emojis. Maybe it's connect. So connecting with friends, I love doing that. And if it's to get active, I actually just play around with it. So this is a plan that actually would be very useful to you guys whenever you feel a bit moody or whenever you want to track your mood. Like, this page is very, very good and it's fun. So why not give it a try? Now, let's talk about how you can track your mood with this emoji. But first, let's open a new page. Yes, so it's written here, my mood is, like I said earlier, if I'm happy, stick an emoji here, and why is my mood this way? So it's a question. So if I'm happy, okay, why am I happy? What made me happy? If I'm sad, what triggered me for that day to be sad? If I'm angry, what made me angry? So everything, you write it there. And a cool thing is, how can my mood improve? So I have to ask myself the question again, how can my mood improve? So if I was sad, how can I be happy? If I was happy, how can I keep being happy? So this particular page is something that you're going to find interesting. And like I said, the emoji is at the front of the planner, so you can't miss it. Now let's talk about the 5 ways you can manage your mental state. According to the planner, you have to connect. The next one is get active. The other one is be mindful, keep learning. And the last one is give. So let me talk about this. The first one is connect. Now, the planner actually explained this. Let's see. Yes, connect. Now, how do you connect? To say, talk to someone, give a colleague a lift, get lunch with someone. So in summary, how do you connect with someone is just do you have to make it physical, or you want to make it over the phone, or sending a nice message? Because you can't do anything alone. You need someone. And as a content creator, definitely having someone nearby, someone close by who you can call on and help you whenever you need is definitely important. And the second one is get active. So get active is definitely, if I have made a video, I have to keep making videos. Like, I don't know how to batch record, okay? I know a lot of people do that, but I'm actually learning it, but it's not that easy, okay? So let me know if you know how to, and then just send me different ideas, because I would definitely love to. It's actually a way of managing your time effectively as content creator. So if you, like I said, if you have a way, put it in the comment section and let's know. And if this video has been useful so far, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just click on that subscribe button. Now let's get to the third one: keep learning. Now, I love learning. Like I said in one of my videos, I actually love to read one book, at least one book in a month, which is doable. Yeah, so keep learning. It helps you to be creative. It helps you to what? Expand your mindset, expand your scope. And it's definitely something that it will help you in a way that whenever you are recharged, whenever you have a new idea, I mean, resources are out there, so why not learn? Now, the fourth one is be mindful. Be mindful, especially when you're talking to people about your ideas. Be mindful about them. Learn to know people's body language. And also, it says visit a new place for lunch. So it's great, guys. It's so great. Is there a last one? Yes, the last one is give. Now, giving for me, what I do is I make sure that maybe during my birthday, I actually like give away things, or maybe I'm in a happy mood, I actually just want to release. So I see giving as a form of you want to release that positive vibe, that positive energy to people. So once you are able to do this 5 well-being, which we'll get to the challenge very soon, you feel a bit better, you feel relaxed, and it actually has been helping me. 2 years plus using this planner. It's a good thing, okay? Now let's talk about the challenge. So the well-being challenge is actually telling you what to do with the 5 well-being tips on how to manage your mental state. So the first one says give. What have you done so far? The second one is get active. What have you done so far? So all these things are just asking you questions like, what have you done so far in the area of giving, in the area of getting active, in the area of connecting with new people, in the area of learning? What have you done so far? And the last one is, what also have you done so far in the area of being mindful? So there is a check. There is a track record from one angle to the other, and you can't miss it. If you follow all the steps, I'm very sure it will be able to tell you when to prioritize things, which is written at the other side. Prioritize your to-do list, and also why is your mood this way. So like I said, I would want you guys to lay your hands on this planner, and let me just say it how you can do it. So you have to do 3 things to be able to get this planner. 1 is send your full name to my email address and say where you actually got the information from, so which is definitely my channel, and that's Cadmus KC. And also share this video on your social media platform, then you can definitely get this planner only, I'm sorry guys, only for those in the UK for now. So these 10 planners are going out to people in the UK for free. The last thing you need to do is you have to just pay for the shipping fee, and this planner will be sent to you, okay? 10 planners here is going out, and I want to go out to all my fans. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Share this video and let me know your comment on this particular planner, or if you are using a planner, let me know what and how you definitely are using your planner. The only thing I wish maybe they could do is maybe the color. I'm actually not a fan of pink, okay, but everything in this planner, I have been using it and it has been helpful. So what I do sometimes, I just put it in my bag or I leave it at home. When I come back, I write a lot of stuff on it. If it was maybe a different color, maybe black, brown, especially brown, my favorite color is brown, I would definitely like hold this planner everywhere. But moving with this color, I'm very sure people will be like, can I have this planner please? And I'll be like, oh no, it's mine. I'll be like, oh, it's so beautiful. I said, I know, but I can't give it to you. So that's why I actually kind of like keep it at home or keep it in my bag, because the planner is so beautiful. Like when anyone sees it, they actually want to have this planner. So I'm ending this video here. Like I said, if you want this planner, you know what to do. And I see you in the next video. But if you have been struggling on how you can definitely improve your time management, then you have to watch this video, and I see you there. Bye.